Hello, good day everyone. I am Nick, and I'm one of the account executive in Parliament Group. And today we're going to understand and learn about the sum of years digit method of depreciation. Without further ado, let's start our discussion. Before we dive into the lesson, let's take a look at our lesson objectives. Number one is introduction to the sum of years digit method of depreciation. Number two is calculating depreciation using the sum of years digit method. Number three is examples of sum of years digit method. And lastly, the advantages and disadvantages of the sum of year digit method. Okay, moving forward. First, its definition. The sum of years digit method of depreciation is a method of calculating depreciation that involves calculating the depreciation rate based on the asset's remaining useful life. Its purpose is designed to recognize the declining value of an asset as it ages. Now, I'm going to teach you how to calculate this depreciation method. First one, to calculate depreciation using the sum of years digits method. First step is to determine the depreciable amount of the asset. The depreciable amount of the asset is the cost of the asset minus its salvage value, which is the expected value of the asset at the end of its useful life. Next, the sum of years digits is calculated by adding together the digits of the asset useful life. For example, for a 5-year useful life, the sum of its years is sum of years digits is 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. The depreciation rate for each year is then calculated by multiplying the remaining useful life of the asset by the asset's useful life divided by the sum of years digits. And lastly, the depreciation expense for each year is calculated by multiplying the depreciation rate by the depreciable amount of the asset. To uh, to further understand, let's take a look to our example problem. The company purchases a machine for $100,000 with an expected useful life of 10 years, salvage value of $10,000. Using the sum of years digits method, the depreciation rate for each year is calculated as follows. As you can see in the year 1, 10 minus 1 divided by 55 is equal to 18.18%. Next is in the year 2, 10 minus 2 divided by 55 is equal to 1636. In year 3 is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 divided by 55 is equal to 12.73. Okay, where do we get that 55? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So that is equal to 55. So I hope you understand that. And now let's go to the advantages and disadvantages of the sum of year digits method. So the sum of year digits method advantage of depreciation is it accurately reflects the declining value of an asset over time and can result in a lower overall depreciation expense compared to the other methods. On the other hand, its disadvantages. The sum of year digits method of depreciation can be more complex to calculate and may require more frequent updates to the depreciation schedule. Okay, that concludes my presentation about sum of years digit method of depreciation, and we're done. I hope this presentation was helpful in understanding the concept of the method I teach you a while ago, and let me know if you have any further question. Feel free to comment below. Again, this is Nick. I am from Accounts Executive from Parliament Group. See you in my next videos. Goodbye.